Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options connected to the date and time which are unfortunately inactive, so we cannot customize them. It is because we are using the network-based time zone and the time and date. So first of all, we have to tap on those switchers to turn off the automatic time zone and time. And as you can see right now, the date, time and time zone options are active, so we can freely tap on it and just by swiping change the date. The same situation with that time, just tap on it and by swiping set the time you want to use. So for example this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone. After tapping on it you will be transferred to the full list of all available ones. So of course all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick for example Central America. And as you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing it the time will also change according to it. So at the very top, on the other hand, we've got the clock format option, and we can manually customize it. So currently we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to you can use 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher here. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.